Welcome to the Love Hub channel, where we discuss matters of the heart and give relationship advice to women. In today's episode, we are going to discuss how to make your relationship with your boyfriend more exciting. Keeping a relationship exciting is important. It helps to maintain and deepen the emotional connection between the both of you. Relationships can become routine and predictable over time, which can lead to boredom and complacency. This can cause the spark to fade and lead to a decrease in intimacy, communication, and passion. By introducing excitement into the relationship, couples can break free from monotony and reignite their love for each other. It can also create new experiences and memories that can strengthen the bond between partners. Additionally, an exciting relationship can help to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. When couples are happy and fulfilled in their relationship, they are less likely to experience negative emotions such as anxiety, resentment, and depression. Overall, keeping a relationship exciting is important for maintaining a strong and healthy partnership. It allows couples to continue growing together, exploring new aspects of their relationship, and enjoying the journey together. Putting in the effort to make your relationship exciting can have many benefits for you and your partner. But yes, ladies, it is going to take a lot of work. However, if you truly love your man, it's going to be extremely worth it. It can help to strengthen your bond with each other, improve communication, reduce stress, and renew commitment between partners. Again, if you've been dating for a while now, there is that danger of falling into boredom and complacency, and that can spell doom for your relationship. That's why it's important for you to keep things exciting. And no, we are not just talking about physical excitement. Of course, that is going to be a part of it, but there are other ways, small, simple ways that you can bring excitement into your relationship, make it feel fresh and new again. Remember, every relationship is unique, so it's important to find what works best for you and your partner. Keep an open mind and be willing to try new things to keep your relationship exciting and fulfilling. And remember, ladies, the Love Hub is a judgment-free zone. We don't judge women here. We are your safe space. Now let's get to the topic. Number 1, let's start with the obvious. Spice up your sex life. Introduce new experiences, or just be open to try new things in the bedroom to create excitement and deepen your physical connection. Remember, physical intimacy is important in keeping your relationship alive. It's what gives it that spark. It's important for you to maintain your chemistry with each other. The thing is, when couples have been dating for several years now, they tend to neglect that physical aspect of their relationship. They just feel so comfortable with each other. They end up being so complacent. And then their relationship gets really routine and boring. And then they stray from each other because the excitement is no longer there. The chemistry has withered away. Physical intimacy is a big part of keeping your chemistry boiling. So how do you get started with this? When you feel that you haven't really been physically intimate for a while now, how do you get back into the groove? Well, first, share your fantasies. Talk to your partner about your desires and fantasies to create a more open and trusting environment. This is a way for you to kind of get back in the groove. Make sure that he is involved in this conversation. Ask him what his fantasies are and be open to each other. Be honest. If you have boundaries that you're not willing to cross, and you should have boundaries, those are very important, then let your partner know. The important thing is that both of you are talking about being more physically intimate and that you are comfortable enough to share your fantasies with each other. this is a great first step to take. Number 2, go on an adventure. Try something adventurous like bungee jumping or whitewater rafting together. If that's not your thing, then a simple hike in the woods is adventurous enough. You get to be alone with each other, surrounded by the beauty of nature. If you want to refresh your relationship, then you need to go on an adventure. Take yourself out of your comfortable environment and try something new. Number 3, take on a challenge together. Sign up for a challenging activity, such as a marathon or a Tough Mudder, and work together to achieve your goal. This is going to bring you closer. If you're not up for a physical challenge, how about just volunteering together? Give back to your community and strengthen your bond by volunteering together and doing something good for the world. This should bring you closer because now you have a shared goal that you would like to achieve together. Number 4, try new things together, whether it's trying a new hobby, going to a new restaurant, or taking a trip to a place that you've never been before. Trying new things together can add excitement to your relationship. Number 5, have regular date nights. Schedule regular date nights where you can focus on each other and spend quality time together. This doesn't mean that you're going to go to a fancy steakhouse 3 times a week. This just means you're going to set aside some time to rediscover each other. Number 6, surprise each other. Small surprises like leaving a love note or bringing home their favorite snack can add excitement to your day-to-day routine. The important thing is breaking out of that mundane routine that the two of you are stuck in. Number 7, express your love. Don't be afraid to show your partner how much you love and appreciate him. Give him verbal affirmations. Tell him that you love him. Tell him that he looks good. This can help bring back the intimacy that you feel that you've lost between the two of you. Giving verbal affirmations to your partner, or at least telling him that you love him, will help build his confidence again. This will boost his mood. Men love it when they're told that they're appreciated and that they're handsome, they're amazing. Because if you have a good man, I'm sure that he is working hard to make you happy. So let him know. Let him know that he's doing a great job in taking care of the both of you. Let him know that his efforts to make you happy is appreciated. Let him know that not a day goes by where you don't think about him. Bringing excitement into your relationship, especially if you're in the process of rebuilding it, takes a lot of time, effort, and commitment from both partners. But as a woman, you can do your part. And by taking responsibility, communicating openly, rebuilding your trust, and spending quality time together, you can feel things exciting again.